Question number 1. Who is the current president of India? Option A. Ramnath Kovind. Option B. Draupadi Murmu. Option C. Narendra Modi. Option D. Amit Shah. Option B. Draupadi Murmu is the answer. Question number 2. Which city recently hosted the Aero India 2023 air show? Option A. Bengaluru. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Delhi. Option D. Chennai. Option D. Chennai is the answer. Question number 3. What is the highest mountain peak in India? Option A. K2. Option B. Kanchenjunga. Option C. Mount Everest. Option D. Nanda Devi. Option B. Kanchenjunga is the answer. Question number 4. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? Option A. Jaipur. Option B. Udaipur. Option C. Agra. Option D. Varanasi. Option A. Jaipur is the answer. Question number 5. Which Indian state celebrates the Pongal festival in January? Option A. Gujarat. Option B. Odisha. Option C. Punjab. Option D. Tamil Nadu. Option D. Tamil Nadu is the answer. Question number 6. What is the nickname of the Indian cricket team? Option A. The Blues. Option B. The Black Caps. Option C. The Men in Blue. Option D. The Kangaroos. Option C. The Men in Blue is the answer. Question number 7. What is the approximate population of India as of 2023? Option A. 1.2 billion. Option B. 1.3 billion. Option C. 1.4 billion. Option D. 1.5 billion. Option B. 1.3 billion is the answer. Question number 8. Who is the current Chief Justice of India? Option A. D.Y. Chandrachud. Option B. N.V. Ramana. Option C. Sharad Arvind Bobde. Option D. S.A. Bobde. Option A. D.Y. Chandrachud is the answer. Question number 9. Which Indian city recently hosted the G20 summit? Option A. Mumbai. Option B. Delhi. Option C. Chennai. Option D. Kolkata. Option B. Delhi is the answer. Question number 10. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Option A. Yogi Adityanath. Option B. Mamata Banerjee. Option C. Arvind Kejriwal. Option D. Ashok Gehlot. Option A. Yogi Adityanath is the answer.